Mama Wiggles Fun with Tab presents the sound of the letter D. Hey everybody, we're going to say the sound for the letter D. Are you ready?
You ready?
Let's have some fun.
Oh, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Say the D sound from the gut.
Dance the beat and strut. Fourth letter is the D. Say the D words with me. Dirt.
All right.
Dad. Donut.
I like donuts.
Dance.
Is that what we doing?
That's
we dancing.
Duck.
Duck, 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 duck.
Dig.
Ooh, we gonna dig the dirt.
Deer. Dime.
Dime, dime, dime.
Did you enjoy that?
I did.
Did you learn that?
Practice your D word, y'all.
That's right. The
Practice.
D sounds like duh,
Duh, duh.
duh,
All right, y'all.
duh, 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 duh. Practice the D sound every day.
Yeah.
Feel real good in many ways.
Anyways, y'all.
Knowing the sound is the key.
Hey.
Reading then becomes easy.
Yeah.
Duh, duh,
Duh,
duh,
duh,
duh,
duh,
duh, duh,
duh,
duh, duh,
duh. All right, y'all. Don't forget to check out Fun with Tab, y'all, on YouTube and TikTok.
Learning becomes meaningful
And fun. Hey.
Hey. See you.